Hi, it's Zen, the Crypto Queen here, and I just wanted to share a few quick thoughts today because I know a lot of you, just like me, are not on Twitter or X that often, but it can be quite amusing and informative, and as long as you separate the BS from the real stuff, okay? But I just wanted to stop at CoinMarketCap because take a look at Bitcoin today. It's up 27%. And 1.337% in the last hour. But where was it in the 24-hour? My coin market cap on my phone looks different. Anyway, it was up 27% to 36,000. Pretty amazing. XRP is at 60 cents. Don't be shocked if you see that change in the next, I'm just going to throw it out there, like the next year, okay? Because I've written down some numbers for XRP. And I can tell you that most people, when it hits $5 to $10, will just completely bug out. My suggestion, and I don't do financial advice, I'm just sharing what I do, okay? And what I research and all that kind of stuff. So also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button, thumbs up, bell notification. That helps with algorithms for me and helps grow the channel. I appreciate it. Okay, so on to this. Let's say you have, I don't know, a $10,000 bag of XRP, right? At 5 or 10 or 15, 20, $25, you can make a nice chunk of change and just bug out. Those of you who are in it for a longer haul, I'm going to say find your benchmarks, take 10%. I'm still researching how to avoid serious taxation on large amounts. One way is to just keep it in crypto, obviously. I'm waiting for cards to come out, credit cards that use just crypto to crypto. That would be nice. And then, just pay the cap gains on it and take it in fiat currency. Pop it right back into your bank. Like on any exchange, you can do that. Once you cash it out, you can put it into fiat currency, drop it in your bank account, and then you can figure out what you're going to pay your country. Speaking mostly to the people in the U.S., okay? Anyway, I'm still researching that. I will come out with a video about information regarding what to do with your crypto once it does hit, okay? Because I have no doubt that there's going to be 3 stops along my way that I'm going to take 10%. I have the numbers written down, and then I'm just going to let it ride and use it as I see it. So let's move on to this, because I think it's funny, informative. Like I said, I mean, some of these are, we'll get to it. I'm going to read them because they're so good, okay? All right, so yeah, there's a hearing today on the case SEC versus Ripple. Not much is going to come, all that much going to come out of this thing today. It's just part of the process, okay? But look at that. Cryptocurrency was up 16.2% over a 24-hour period. Dang. And that happens. So, keep your eyes open all the time. Congratulations, XR people. By the start of the hearing today, the phone system maxed out at 4,000 listeners. The court is very well aware of the high interest in the case. Quote from Judge Netburn, mission accomplished. Need to finish up some pleadings and then home to video. That's Jeremy Hogan. Okay, so this one's a good one. Ripple lawyers just pointed out that the SEC hid their actions from Ripple, hid it from foreign regulators, and most egregiously hid their actions from this court. Boom. Okay, that's a mic drop. I mean, what? No, you don't get to do that. The Ripple attorney just said the SEC is trying to destroy their business before they have their day in court. True enough. Stop it. Digital asset investor, that's what happens when you wait until it happens. You're about to learn today, boy. Ripple and the judge about to give you a whooping. Just love that southern accent thrown in there. XRP, crypto rug, SEC into elephant trap, done. They're so busy fighting that forgotten who they're fighting for. Supposed to be XRP holders, not the SEC for the SEC. Yeah, right on. SEC that just wants their piece of pie. XRP is more decentralized than BTC. Ripple runs 6 out of 140-ish validators, ATM, which is roughly 4% control of the network. Bitcoin is really controlled by China. There are 4 miners in China that control over 50% in Bitcoin. Yeah, true enough. And that is true. The SEC just wants their piece of the pie. This is going to be an interesting outcome with the XRP versus SEC case. The SEC had 14 days to comply with Ripple in the court order, but refused to release the documents. You might as well say it's a win, because it just makes it even more suspicious that they're hiding something. Well, isn't that the truth? SEC News wants help finding evidence Ripple pumped the price of XRP. I believe the only manipulator of XRP price has been the SEC themselves. As an investor, if you haven't been armed by the SEC's aggressive and deceptive actions, please like, retweet, jungle. Okay, this one I think is my fave. No. This one. Judge reportedly... Is this it? Oh, yeah. This is it. Hot tip just in. Judge reportedly will rule in favor of Ripple today and allow every XRP holder one nut kick each on Jay Clayton and William Hinman. Justice. Freaking love that one. Yeah. So that's it. Just in case you didn't stop in to catch everything that's happening over on X. I often don't, because there's a lot of BS over on Twitter, to be honest. And so I follow just a handful of people. Jeremy Hogan. I definitely do. John Deaton, they're both attorneys on this law case, and just 3 or 4 others, because the rest of them just make up nonsense, okay? And, yeah, I'm not going to do a price prediction today, but I'm going to say there's going to be a good bump and a nice bullish run real soon. And I'll catch you on the next video. Ciao for now. Thanks for being with me. Love y'all.